Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your profile on the Netflix application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the edit button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now select the profile that you want to delete and tap on the relevant avatar. Now scroll down till you find this delete profile button and tap on it. Now click on the delete button down below. So now your account has been deleted. You need to tap to this done button, tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now you are ready to add the new profile or choose from the existing ones. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.